I'd like to add to Senator Bigby's eloquent statement and take the argument in a different way. Healthcare is killing the U.S. economy. American healthcare costs are about 17% of our economy. We compete with countries that spend 11% of their economies on healthcare. General Motors spends $1,500 per car on healthcare. Toyota spends $100 per car on healthcare. Is General Motors going to be able to survive? I don't see how, because of its healthcare costs, among other reasons. So why are our healthcare costs so high? You all know Pareto's Law. Pareto's Law is the 80-20 rule. It says that 20% of anything explains 80% of what happens. For example, 20% of the beer drinkers account for 80% of the beer that's drunk. So, who are the 80-20 in healthcare? Well, they're sick people. And sick people in the United States get very poor care, and they get it in a very inefficient way. They don't get integrated care. They have to run all over town to get the care that they need. If they got efficient, effective care, our healthcare costs would go way down. So how do we get sick people to lower the costs of health care? Well, first of all, we've got to make sure they're insured. The top 1% of U.S. spenders spend $36,000 a year on health care. The average family income in the United States is $60,000. You don't need a CPA to figure out that sick people cannot afford to buy their own health insurance. So how can we make it affordable? Well, the best way is to have universal coverage where the well subsidize the sick. That's what insurance is all about. But we have to do it in a way that gives the sick control over the system so that they can choose the providers who give them the quality of health care they want at a price they can afford. Do we want universal coverage? Absolutely. What is the role of the government? Not to run the healthcare system. It is to do what our government is meant to do, and that is to help the poor, help the infirm, help the sick, make sure that the system is run in a decent way, and then get the heck out of the way. Thank you.